Line-Altron impeller fully automatic production line can match different machines according to customer needs to meet production process requirements. It mainly consists of high-speed stamping, blade rolling, CNC stamping, impeller assembly, and riveting, correction, and dynamic balancing, and other processes. According to different production requirements, customized single machine or production line, Altron provides A to Z project solutions for multi-blade impellers.